This.
This.
This. This.
This.
This.
This.
This.
This. This is a Swytch bike.
Hi, I'm Oliver, CEO of Swytch, and this is our latest innovation, a pocket-sized battery that makes your bike electric.
It's cute, but it's powerful.
Simply put, this is going to totally disrupt the e-bike industry.
It's the smallest and lightest e-bike battery in the world, but without compromising at all on power or range.
It's incredibly well designed, so it's very easy for our customers to install it by themselves. But of course, we're there to help if you need. In fact, tens of thousands of people all over the world have already converted their bike to an e-bike with our help.
The Swytch kit really is a game changer. It's the result of over 2 years of innovation by our team of world-class engineers.
Our mission is to help people travel more sustainably by upcycling their existing bikes into e-bikes. And with the new Swytch kit, it's easier than ever. So yeah, if you have a bike and you want an electric bike, Swytch.